Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing really good and studying nicely, and also practicing all the concepts and learning and remembering everything, right? Okay, so can you see what is this girl doing? She is watering the plants. वो क्या कर रही है? प्लांट्स को पानी डाल रही है. सो अगर आपके घर पे प्लांट्स है, you should water them daily in the morning and you should take care of your plants. This is one message that I wanted to share with you, that take care of your plants, right? They give us oxygen and they give us lots of air, so take care of your plants. So today, children, we are going to start with a new topic. We are going to start with some very interesting and that is used in your daily life, जो आप रोज़ करते हो. Okay, जो आपको रोज़ करना चाहिए, that I am going to discuss. But before that, we will do our prayer and then we will start. Okay, everyone? All right, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Okay, children. So our today's topic is keeping clean. This is in your book. Page number is 51, as you can see here. Okay. So what is keeping clean? What is keeping clean? These two words mean कि you have to be yourself clean. मतलब आपको खुद को clean रखना चाहिए, साफ रखना चाहिए. Right? You should keep yourself clean. You should keep yourself clean मतलब आपको खुद को साफ रखना चाहिए. And how can you do that? How will you keep yourself clean? Right, children? So in this we are going to see how you can keep yourself clean. First we will listen to the rhyme and then one by one I will share everything with you. Okay, now rub a dub and scrub a dub. Join the clean and happy club. Okay, washing yourself will make you clean. Washing yourself will make you clean. Keeping clean will make you beam. Keeping clean will make you beam. Rub a dub and scrub a dub. Join the clean and happy club. So what are they saying? Rub, rub, rub. Join the clean and happy club. मतलब जब आप clean रहते हो तब आप happy रहते हो. When you are clean, that time you are happy. Right? When you are आपको जब खुद ही साफ नहीं रहोगे तो how can you be happy? So when you are clean, when you are एकदम साफ रहोगे तो आपको क्या लगेगा? You will be very happy. You will feel nice that you are clean. And how can you make yourself clean? I will show you one by one. Okay? Let's start. Very first, what they both are doing, what you have to do, you have to brush your teeth. Come on, do like this. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. What you have to do, you have to brush your teeth. And how many times you will brush your teeth? You will brush 2 times. How many times? 2 times you will brush your teeth, right? Morning, and like when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is brush your teeth. And before going to sleep, what you do, you brush your teeth and then you go to sleep. तो आपको कब कब ब्रश करना है? मॉर्निंग, व्हेन यू गेट अप. Okay, the first thing what you do is brush your teeth very nicely, and before going to sleep, first you brush then you sleep. Okay, उससे क्या होता है? Your teeth will be clean and white. You all want your teeth to be clean and white, right? So you should brush your teeth daily. Remember, brush your teeth. So okay, so that your teeth will be healthy. आपका teeth भी healthy रहेगा, right? And it will be clean. It will be clean. Now next thing, Now what here it is, keep the toilet also clean. What you should do when you're going to the washroom, you should see if you have put everywhere proper water. You should clean your washroom. Your washroom should be very clean, right? जहाँ आप नहाते हो, when you go to the washroom, it should be clean. So it is your duty to put proper water in the washroom and make sure that it is clean, right? Should make your toilet also clean. The next is wash your hands. What is she doing? Nowadays, what are we doing? We are washing our hands regularly every now and then when we are touching something. When we are before eating, I ask you to wash your hands. You remember before food break? आपका जब food break होता है, what teacher asks you to do? Teacher asks you to wash your hands. Why it is important? Because there is a lot of germs in your hands which you can't see. आप ऐसे देखोगे आपको नहीं दिखेंगे germs. It is invisible. You can't see those germs. But you should wash your hands regularly every now and then. जब भी आप कुछ खाने से पहले आपको आपको कुछ भी आप खाते हो हाथ से, you before even you are eating with the spoon, it is a habit that you wash your hands before eating. अगर आप कुछ टच करते हो तभी भी आपको हैंड वॉश करना चाहिए. वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू क्लीन योर हैंड्स बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग. Clean your hands. That are we learning is clean your hands. So wash your hands. Okay children, wash your hands. Now next. Okay, so now what this kid is doing, he's taking a bath. And how you take a bath? You take a bath with a soap. And you should take a bath daily in the morning. After brushing your teeth, you should take your bath. Why we are asking to take a bath? Because when you will not bath ना, you will start smelling bad. आप खुद से आपको एकदम गंदा लगेगा, right? And what happens when you're not taking bath? You feel sick. आपकी तबीयत भी ख़राब हो सकती है if you're not clean. So what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to be clean and supposed to be every time you're supposed to be clean and tidy, wearing nice clothes and clean clothes. Nice, I mean nice matlab clean clothes you should wear, right? You are not supposed to wear dirty clothes that is smelling or something. That will affect आपके health को. आपका health खराब हो सकता है. Okay, so you have to take bath regularly with soap so that you can smell very nice fragrance out of your body, right? So you should take bath daily. Okay children, now next. Now what is this girl doing looking in the mirror? Can you see that girl is doing something? What is she doing? She is combing her hair. Even it is a boy or a girl, you should comb your hair nicely. See my hair, if you can see, I have combed my hair and tied it properly. So am I looking clean? Because I have combed my hair and I have tied it nicely. So everyone, even boys, यहाँ वहाँ बाल, you will only get irritated. So आपको अच्छे से comb करके, you should look neat and clean when you are when if someone wants to meet you, अगर आप घर पे भी हो, so then too also you should comb your hair daily and properly you should make yourself ready and be clean. So combing your hair is also cleaning. It's a kind of cleaning, right children? So these all are the things that you should do daily to keep yourself clean. जैसे मैंने start में बोला था keeping clean, right? So I'll show you that page. Wait. See, this is what I was talking about. Can you see? This boy is taking bath. Here he is brushing the teeth. The girl is, see, वो toilet का tank sink बंद कर रहे. She is cleaning. She is also cleaning her toilet, right? And the boy is washing his hands. Then this one is taking bath. The girl is combing her hair. These all are the habits. These all are the things that will make you clean and you will be healthy. Okay, so if again I will sing this rhyme for you all. Rub a dub and scrub a dub. Join the clean and happy club. Join the clean and happy club. Washing yourself will make you clean. Keeping clean will make you beam. Keeping clean will make you beam, right? Keeping clean will make you be rub-a-dub and scrub-a-dub. Join the clean and happy club. So when you're clean, you are happy. That's what I'm saying. आप जब clean रहोगे, आप happy रहोगे, and you will be healthy also. So be clean, be happy, and be healthy. Okay, children. So I will see you in the next video with a new topic. By the time, remember also you have to be clean. These all are the habits that will make you clean every time. Okay, children. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, all of you. Take care. Have a good day.